So now quickly let's move on to this particular issue. Martin Amidu, the first special prosecutor of the Republic of Ghana, or the Nsimbi Ababetuja. Now, himself, Martin Amidu was appointed by the then administration of the New Patriotic Party, but subsequently he resigned. He was the first person to tell Ghanaians, say, Akufo-Addo no, or the chief serpent of all the corrupt deals at Acquah so in the previous administration. But then okay, no, amount will be branfa na asem anya asem. Ama enam sunti no, amount will be eka say oye NDC Akufo-Addo's resolve na opesa or chese opesa tackle corruption akofa Martin Amidu ano ye known NDC member no. And amount for a party say yes, Martin Amidu was there to serve his own political party, the NDC. You know, it was against, and he wanted to bring Akufo-Addo's government down. But fast track, he resigned, and when he resigned, Acquah, he said, "Otro oped bebre and as opinion piece bebre." And now party say Ghana, say in sebesi former and Akufo-Addo because near man Acquah Akufo-Addo yen who say ni hu embomu ana onim hoshe. But then on one kasa na signature eshasi and then the Ubeka say enfane bo enkomano. But then Martin Amidu is here again, and to him he wants to talk about this particular issue at Acquah, which is the Abronye case. So what is really happening? As you can see on the screens, Martin Amidu, according to him, Abronye issue at Acquah, he wanted to know exactly what was going on because charges said about Abronye was so simple. Yes, misdemeanor. Misdemeanor so I had the bonibi and as I can't say be sebio uncause bodily harm. But at the end of the day, no, as odi obia tema and no enye. Now odi obia tema mo money bill I see a money bill. And according to Martin Amidu, looking at it and especially the judge na no case no so no ohweni nyina obitima ka say judge na kasa na sebio no judge no ni ruling enye right yen fan two screens so say every reasonable and objective non-partisan reader cannot fail to appreciate that Judge Samuel Bright Acquah does not possess the learning, integrity and high moral character to remain on the court or to remain on the high court, the circuit court. So according to Martin Amidu, in some manner, the Phobi Air Party said this particular lawyer in question, this particular judge in question, na Odi a year Abronye asem no. Man for party say, Papa, I didn't tell Odi Abronye asem ni ebe sorry be money bill a usi bue o money bill. Africa cried, yeah, that's sorry, and the same biaba to just say, yes, we are all equal before the law, but then not all men are equal before the law. Such statement now make it, what does it mean? And no, a year Martin Amidu so didn't say in the numun sem ababe to but then fast track. Immediately after this particular statement was made, we are learning say Martin Amidu or Bekan's answer and Chibia and information about the judge na Odi Abronye case he has retired abruptly. Read my lips. The judge na Odi Abronye case he has retired. I say in various sources parties say ayampa. Now let's put this on the screen. Judge in Abronye case retires. So the judge in Abronye's case here na a different honorable and the honor judge Samuel Bright Acquah he has resigned. But the amount for Eka Sensem according to him or party said resignation or resign when you say ABI is resigning because of Abronye's case and I say ABI His Excellency John Dramani Mahama have sacked him and has relinquished him from his duties. According to him, he is going and retiring abruptly because within 60 years. Let's put this on the screens. I'll say the Battle Circuit Court Judge is Anna Samuel Bright Acquah of the Circuit Court bench retires from bench tomorrow. That is in the 16th of September 2025. His Anna ruling, which was read here, has been the center of criticism for many, a lawyer and a judge. His honest ruling relied on a quote from Idi Amin, which he wrongly attributed to Robert Mugabe, and non-equality principle in the famous animal farm test written by George Orwell. The Ghana Bar Association today, the 15th of September 2025, had cause to condemn the ruling of the court while condemning the culture of insults which are seeped into the public discourse. So, Omo party says, our judge in question now they can say on full authority say he is out of the way. Why? Because of insema na no okokan. Na sansem no okokan according to them na it say okoti Idi Amin say all men are equal before the law, but then not all men are equal. The Ghana Bar Association party say such statements no okan I say it doesn't make sense. And I said the judges, what they hold in high esteem, and I said Ghana Bar Association in Bra or Mudi Jumano as a judge no of a baby. Now one party say quote scrana na o quote or ka say Mugabe ne kan sansem na all can, but Ushema Idi Amin rather or vice versa. But then to us has say Omo party said the judge in question he is scheduled to retire. Now according to sources and what we are learning, he's scheduled to retire because he's 60 years. That judge is 60 years. And you know, all ya idea we nyina no na in fact maybe me cry party say as na judge no all this while no na it is yes promotion bi e Supreme Court nti anke yi ni fi ho a near de na ko. But then now we are learning say entisa the judge is saying say jume bi na odi. So let us also put this on the screens near share. Or see dates and call of birth. Date of birth, call appointment, and etc. It's almost share the reason why Judge we all call. Or see the law platform can authoritatively report that the date of birth for his honor is 16th of September 1965, which he 1965 he was called to the bar on the 1st of October 2010. He was appointed to the bench on the 8th day of March 2018. He was posted to his current station, Circuit Court 9, Accra, on the 13th of August 2020, where he has sat until now. Appointment to High Court bench. His honor applied and has been vetted by the Judicial Council on the 20th of May 2025, and after 1:20 p.m. the position of the High Court Judge, his honor, has been shortlisted to be sworn in as High Court Judge by President John Dramani Mahama. Mahama, for the delay of the estimated time, has appointed the event of some 50 other persons from the bar and bench to the High Court. Send information about say or retire from the case. It is exactly that. A crest papano or retire. What I say, he's retiring. Now, at the end of the day, too, what we are also learning is that he's retiring because of the age. No, intinaincophobia na omo kaso. Oh, your honor is retiring because Abronye some no D and we didn't ye, and now he's exposed. No, I won't say that could be a factor, but then the main factor is about panel with this 60 years, and as it is now, no, I was said the base in AC. Now, in some of the best two journals, it has really garnished a lot of things. Amount of air party say something should really be done about this, because amount for air party say the judge in this case, the judgment is not the buyer, no. Especially in regards to Abronye, no, Utimi say he was not fair at all, because Eban is saying that Abronye Itimiye bibia Miss Debina yina umpeso be you know. Now we will try as much as possible as time goes on. Say yeah, they be two screens so for you to know exactly what he said. Rulings in the ABB, but then some famous quotation no make you know. And amount for Omuka said they can't even think far what this particular judge was trying to say. We share 3 news are two screens also. All men are equal, but some are more equal than others. The judge explains why he denied Abronye bill. So this was the argument of the judge in question now who deny Abronye bill. Say in Brana ewo ho ne de ewo ho be ye hwe sa in Brana so a all men are equal, but then some are equal before others. It no share the fact say so boa ye de bo eye Abronye say wakọ kan sem afa IGP ho sa nsem no okọ fa IGP ho no, perhaps no it could have been a contributing factor in his arrest, and I say the main thing on so they arrest no. But then if that is the case, near denying the bill, it is because some men are more equal before the law than others. It's since I'm not kind of as I just say, are you telling me so be a IGP and I said who here saying an ordinary Ghanaian citizen? Then what is the law saying? And I said, what is the balance of power? I party say all is equal before the law, and as you can see clearly here say. The Ghana Bar Association, they really condemn this. This is exactly what is really going on. But for the avoidance of doubt, and I say updates are airbano na igusu aye twaso. But then the big issue for today is the issue which has to do with Nsema Acquah sisia sensema Acquah no nsema basically Abetu just the chieftaincy minister, and as the minister of chieftaincy Odinsi Abetu just say they will be summoning Otumfo Setutu and Domahene for them to come to parliament, because and I say Tomamento at the ethnic war Ebeba Ghana. In try we will look into the details of the next update, because 4 million filing fee cost to MPP amount for us to take us, and Ken is about to give us the necessary showdown that we need.